Bob Marley's granddaughter detained by U.S. police. California police officers earlier this week detained Jamaican actress and filmmaker Donisha Prendergast, the granddaughter of reggae legend Bob Marley, and 3 of her friends as they were leaving an Airbnb home to prepare for a socially conscious event they organized.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A neighbor reportedly called the police on the group of friends, 3 of whom were said to be black, while witnessing them depart the premises with their luggage. There are 4 police officers here, said 33-year-old Prendergast in a live video post in which she spoke to the apparent owner of the home via phone call in front of the officers.
Sir, they want to speak to someone in charge.
Hey Marie, so we're standing out here with the Rialto police who were called by a neighbor. They don't believe that we were... Well, can you explain who you are before I preface?
This is Officer Bashir with the Rialto Police Department, ma'am.
Hi, yeah, we just spoke to someone from Rialto PD that verified that I was the homeowner. Are you a different police officer?
I'm here on scene with that officer.
They don't believe. They think that you're just a stranger I'm calling to verify the story.
Well, no, I just called you, but someone from the police department just called me from a number 909-835-9999.
Yeah, Marie, so yeah, we're standing here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 police officers here who... Yeah, they responded pretty quickly. We watched your neighbor call.
The police officers demanded that the owner appear in person to verify the identity of Prendergast, who apparently was the one who booked the accommodation. An officer told Prendergast that she was being detained along the street in order for the officers to investigate and to cover all our bases.
All right, ma'am, we're still in the process of investigating just to make sure we cover all our bases.
You guys are investigating.
Okay.
I have a lot of shit to do today. I have an event that we're doing.
An actress, filmmaker, and advocate, Prendergast said she was in California to put on an event ironically titled "We Will Rise Together."
We Will Rise Together is happening in LA tonight. Gates open at 8 p.m. Showtime. We start 9:30.
Can she come?
It's not stopping. We're still on the way. This is just, it might be running a little bit late, but we're going to be on the way. All right? We will rise together. Keep the movement positive.
Okay. So no, like that's fine.
Yeah.
So,
you know what to do?
okay. You're going to hurt yourself. So she's at work. She can't leave her work. She's about a half an hour away. So what do we do from there?
Well, we're gonna...
Is there someone you can send to her to go confirm her?
Yeah. Well, we're trying to work on that to see if we can just make sure that
this is the same lady.
It's the same lady.
Yeah.
See what I mean? That makes sense, huh?
No, we get what you're saying. We totally understand.
She alluded to racial discrimination as a factor behind the incident. So much things to say right now. I got surrounded by the police for being black in a white neighborhood. Prendergast, the daughter of Sharon Marley, wrote on Instagram. She added, "I am sad and irritated to see that fear is still the first place police officers go in their pursuit to serve and protect, to the point that protocol supersedes their ability to have discernment. Many have suffered and died in moments like these. That is crazy reality check. Give thanks for life and the ability to stand our ground. We are stronger together. Use our voice collectively." The incident is the latest in the US to stir up passions about institutional racism and echoes of the Black Lives Matter movement. Last month, 2 black men were arrested at Starbucks and led away in handcuffs accused of trespassing after the manager called the police, saying the men refused to buy anything or leave. Also in April, a black former White House staffer under Barack Obama said a neighbor called cops on him while he was moving into his New York City apartment. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.